Hello and welcome to Music Theory in a Rush. In this lesson, we will dive into the world of augmented 6th chords. We will explore how to recognize, label, spell, and resolve these fascinating chords which can add rich harmonic color to musical passages. Let's begin by examining the opening phrase from the first movement of Piano Trio No. 2 by the Swedish composer Elfrida Andrén. Listen and follow along with the score. You surely have noticed that this piece is in G minor, and the D major chord on the downbeat of measure 4 marks a half cadence. Now I encourage you to pause the video here and try to analyze the chords in measure 3 leading to the half cadence. Alright, here is my own analysis of the first 3 chords. A 1 chord moving to a secondary dominant which resolves into a 4-6 C major chord. But what is the 4th chord? Let's listen again and then take a closer look. This chord cannot be a secondary dominant or a secondary leading tone chord, as there is no diatonic key that includes both E flat and C sharp. You may have noticed that the bass note is a flat 6 moving down to a scale degree 5. As you know, this suggests a Phrygian half cadence. However, the chord leading to the Phrygian half cadence here is not the typical predominant minor 4-6 chord. Instead of C natural of 4-6, there is a C sharp, sharp 4, moving up by half a step to a scale degree 5. The flat 6 and sharp 4 create an augmented 6 harmonic interval, and just because of that, the chord under question is called an augmented 6 chord. Both of flat 6 and sharp 4 have a strong tendencies to move to scale degree 5, and this makes augmented 6 chords a strong predominance. Augmented 6 chords are more common in minor keys, but they can appear in major keys as well. Musicians frequently use geographical names, Italian, French, and German, to refer to the 3 most common types of augmented 6 chords. All of these 3 types include the scale degree 1 in addition to flat 6 and sharp 4, and what differentiates these 3 types is the 4th note. The one we saw in the piano trio example is called Italian 6th, in which scale degree 1 is doubled. The French 6th includes scale degree 2, and the German 6th has a scale degree flat 3 as their 4th notes. Here are all 3 types of augmented 6 chords and their resolutions to the dominant in the key of G minor. As you can see, resolving augmented 6 chords is easy. The flat 6 and sharp 4 always go to scale degree 5, and the other voices move to the closest note in the 5 chord. Let's listen to these progressions. This is to establish the key of G minor, and this one is the resolution of Italian 6th. The resolution of French 6th, and resolution of German 6th. As you can see and just heard, I use the cadential 6-4 chord between the German 6th and the dominant triad. It is possible to do the same in all 3 types. However, for the German 6th, it is necessary to do so to have correct voice leading. What do you think is the reason for that? Yes, you are right, because otherwise there would be parallel fifth between the bass and the tenor. Listen. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if it is so, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Also, feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next lesson.